All right, let's turn back the clock almost 2 decades to when Bobby Grace decided to bring some handmade magic to the golf world in 1991. Picture this: a garage, some tools, and a whole lot of passion for crafting the perfect putter. Fast forward to 1992, and bam! His putters are popping up in the bags of the coolest cats on the golf scene. Then in '94, Nick Price swings his way to victory at the PGA Championship with one of Bobby's Fat Lady Swings putters, putting the company smack dab in the spotlight. And the orders? Oh, they start flooding in from golfers of all stripes, eager to get their hands on a piece of putting history. But wait, there's more! Annika Sorenstam steps up to claim her first U.S. Women's Open Championship in '95 with Bobby's Pipsqueak design, and it becomes her lucky charm for 7 incredible victories, including another U.S. Open win in '96. Talk about a winning streak! Now, after a bit of a hiatus, Bobby Grace Putters is back in action in 2009, and boy, are we thrilled about it. They've been cooking up some seriously forgiving putters that are set to revolutionize the game. And let me tell you, we had the absolute pleasure of chatting with Bobby himself at his new studio, where he spilled the beans on the brand's history and what's in store for 2010. It's like catching up with an old friend who's been on a wild adventure. But here's where things get really interesting. Enter hole-seeking material, HSM. Bobby Grace Putters becomes the trailblazer in '96 by using golf ball core material in their face inserts, giving us the softest, sweetest feel on the greens. And don't even get me started on their 2007 breakthrough. After months of tinkering, they unleash an even more forgiving HSM insert that practically begs you to sink those birdie putts. Now picture this. We're at Bobby's studio surrounded by master craftsmen and golfing goodies when he hands us one of his Tour Shop Artist Series putters. It's like being handed the keys to a Ferrari and being told, "Go have fun!" Spoiler alert, we did. And let me tell you, this putter is like nothing else out there. The HSM insert, it's like butter on toast. Soft, responsive, and oh so satisfying to putt with. We couldn't wait to take it out on the course and show it off to our buddies. And boy, did it deliver on the greens. After 7 rounds of golf, we were practically singing its praises. The forgiveness? Unbelievable. Even when we were purposely trying to miss the sweet spot, this baby kept us on track. It's like having your own personal putting coach whispering in your ear, "You got this."